Elecard Stream Analyzer is a powerful tool designed for transport stream analysis. Stream Analyzer gives the user a high-level overview of what's being carried inside MPEG-2 transport streams and MP4 IVF containers. Its effective syntax analysis and graphical presentation truly simplifies fault identification and isolation. Tracking errors in graphics to table views has never been so simple. It demonstrates audio and video streams, table streams, DVB subtitles, packets, TS stream errors, PTS dynamics, hex viewer, and shows built-in graphs of parameters with integer values. The product supports MPEG-1, 2, 4, AVC, HEVC, VP9, MPEG-1, 2, Audio Layer 1, 2, 3, Dolby Digital, AAC elementary streams that can be opened directly from Transport Program Stream or MP4 and IVF containers for VP9 video format. Stream Analyzer is available in both Windows and macOS. Flexible interface layout is a key to improve documentation and productivity. You can freely change the location of the functional blocks. This allows you to adapt the interface to your tasks with maximum efficiency. The information related to the structure of each stream of the analyzed file is demonstrated in Explorer window in a tree form, including TS, PS, or a tree of atoms in case with MP4 files. One may also find an indication of PID ID for each program and the size occupied by a separate program as a percentage. Using checkboxes, you may customize the required parameters and other information which you want to be displayed in Stream Analyzer main panel. Using the context menu, you may copy the information to a clipboard, be it a particular branch or part of a tree. The sequence of selected packet headers in the main panel depends on their offset values. When a particular packet is selected, its corresponding information is displayed in Property and Hex Viewer windows. You may also go to a certain offset or search for a specific parameter or packet by entering a parameter name or a packet header. Search results are highlighted orange and labeled on the scroll bar, making it easier to identify its location within a stream. Using a context menu, you may copy a header name only or the header with its entire contents. You may also specify boundaries for partial saving of information. When scrolling the headers of the elementary streams and transport packets, one may find the information related to each element displayed in the Property panel. The following regimes are available. Sync mode automatically changes data displayed in the Property panel without left-clicking the main window panel. Compare mode. The chosen packet is compared with the previous chosen one. The differences in parameters are highlighted blue. Using a context menu, you may copy a header name only or the header with its entire contents. It is possible to display parameter values in the headers of the elementary stream and transport packets in a main panel, adding the required parameters via the Property panel. The selected parameters might be also displayed in a graphic form in the Graphics panel. You may build a graph for any numeric value of any header and present it in a line, bar, or transition mode, depending on your purpose. You may also change the coordinate system to offset or count in order to fit your requirements. Using a Time Dynamics panel, you may build a graph showing interleaving between the two programs of the stream. In a Hex Viewer tab, the information might be displayed in a hex, ASCII, and binary mode. When a packet is selected, the related data occupied by the packet is also selected. Errors of transport level 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, along with their brief description, are displayed on TR 101-90 tab. Once clicking on a particular error, you will be navigated to a corresponding packet in a main panel. Error's location within a stream is shown in the main panel by labels on the scroll bar, which makes it possible to spot their location quickly. You may save all the required information using a save function. It might be entire information related to the stream or just a part of it. For doing so, you may use two possible options. Indicate the beginning and ending of the required offset using a selection function in the Stream Analyzer main panel. Choose the beginning and ending of the required offset using manual settings. We understand that sometimes you may need help. Elecard has a support team as well as a business team that can help structure a solution for you. We're able to help address all your bit analysis needs from bitstream to container analysis.